Happy Memorial Day. And look what we got for Memorial Day today. A fig. This is a breba off of Michuranska 10. We're going to cut it open and have a taste. Got a good closed eye. I let it hang as long as I could. You can see its skin's real soft. Starting to tear there, but the ants had come in and was starting to attack it. And I kind of blowed on it with my mouth to blow the ants off of it on the tree, and well, it fell off in my hand. So let's see what it looks like. Michuranska 10. Breva. Whew. As usual, it's a honey fig. Much changed about it. Looks like it's good and ripe. There's the other one. Got just a little bit of a pink tinge. I don't know if you can see it, but it's developing a little bit of a pink tinge right in the center. That's when Michuranska. I really can't tell the difference between the brebas and the main crop on this one as far as taste or quality. When Michuranska 10 is really ripe, it tends to have a little bit of a pink right in there. Main crop as well. So, all right, we'll see what it tastes like here. I'm gonna cut it into a piece and share it with everybody else here. Well, it's sweet and figgy. And I don't know, I really can't tell much different than any other main crop versus this breba. They're sweet and figgy, and everybody's going, it's first fig of the year. Like I said, figs are always best. You know, I mean, this is always, Michuranska 10 is always the first fig you'll always get, and they're always good. And you'll have them mostly eaten before anything else comes in. So, there it is.